Random shout out from my subscribers. Shout out Yugi Hanaka, Kanzang Dolkar, Krisa, Fred Mill, Ramil Kabalan, Sophia Roblox, King Daff. If you want to shout out or get mentioned in the next video, please subscribe and comment with hashtag HarTzy TV. Want this? Open Capcut. Mute the original sound. Link in the description. We need to add matchcut. Don't worry, it's gotta be easy. We're done inputting beats. Next we need to create for pictures from the video. When you creating pictures from the video, you're going to do is stop on the part that you want to become picture, then click freeze. As you can see, the first clip is not fit on the beat. We just move this side of clip to fit the duration to the beat. Just like this. Later, I will post on the screen the overall durations. At this moment, we need to create 3 more pictures. But this time, after you create the picture, you need to delete the existing video clip, just like this. Click freeze to create picture. After that, click the existing video and delete. Just do the same process with the 2 pictures left. We're done with pictures. Make sure you deleted all existing video clips except the first one. And these are the durations. Click the overlay. Then click the picture and copy. After you copy the picture, move it to the overlay. To enable this overlay button, just go first to overlay before copying the picture. Remove the background of the overlay. Copy the overlay and then move down to the first overlay. After that, add keyframes to the overlays. Please don't skip this, because it's the same step to the other overlays. Add to keyframes in the second beat. We just moved the overlay as keyframe that fit on the beat. Please don't skip, just do the same steps. Add another keyframes. Back this overlay in its original position by moving this keyframes that fit on beat. Do the same steps. Make this process in the next pictures. Let's proceed to the next pictures. Just do the same steps in the first overlays. On this part we need to copy this. Move this overlay. Trim this overlay to fit in the first picture. And also move this part to fit in this beat. Add keyframes on both sides of the overlay. In this keyframe, move this picture outside. Let's proceed on the last two pictures. Continue the same process. Let's add effects. Please don't skip and just follow the yellow arrow. Change the object of effects into overlay. Do the same steps in the other effects. Don't click done, just stay in the same project. If you are not good with the clip you save, you can adjust your clip and edit some part, and then you can save again until it makes perfect for you. But this time we need to delete all pictures, effects, etc. If some of you guys ask why we did this, it's because we need to use the same match cuts. Okay, let's add the clip that we saved before. Add two keyframes in the first beat. Add one keyframe where the picture change. I made a lot of changes in this part, and if I am too fast, you can change the playback speed. As you can see guys, I'm putting keyframes before the beat. Apply this step in all beats. Let's put keyframes that fits on beat and move the picture just like this. If the picture are already zoomed, you need to do is just drag it down. Do the same steps in the next beats. Add this effect to all white overlays. We almost done, but I want to add this effect. Hi guys, if you like this kind of content, I want you guys to please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more.